Accutemp is your choice for innovative cooking solutions. Accelerate your cook times. Accelerate your kitchen. Accelerate your profits. The new Accelerate Upper Heated Platen turns the Accutemp Griddle into the highest production clamshell griddle on the market. 240 double cheeseburgers per hour from a 2-foot griddle? No problem for the latest addition to the Accutemp family of innovative products. Featuring proprietary technology, the Accelerate delivers the most even temperatures of any upper heated platen on the market. Couple this with the near-instant recovery Accutemp is known for, and the Accelerate transforms the Accutemp Griddle into a true process control machine. Beyond this exacting control of the temperature, the Accelerate also features fine gap adjustments all the way up to 2 inches tall for perfect caramelization. The built-in timer starts automatically, which means serving the perfect product to your customers has never been easier. By precisely controlling the time, temperature, and compression, even a new line cook can produce a perfect product every time. No matter how busy your restaurant gets, the Accutemp Griddle featuring the Accelerate Upper Heated Platen won't let you or your customers down. Made in America, the Accelerate is built for the toughest kitchen environments. It's backed by Accutemp's lifetime service and support guarantee and comes with cooking support from Accutemp corporate chefs. The Accelerate Upper Heated Platen from Accutemp. Unmatched efficiency, undeniable quality, unbeatable service.